Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute frog lollipop. First you're going to need your green color. I used 3 different greens to make the color that I wanted. Make sure you mix your clay thoroughly. As you can see, I ended up adding a lot more light green than I originally did. Once you're satisfied with the green color that you want, roll it up into a ball. You're also going to need a lollipop stick. Next, you want to stick the green ball of clay onto the lollipop stick. I ended up using my dotting tool to help out in this process. Next, you're going to need some white clay for the eyes. Roll the white clay that you have into a ball and then cut it in half. Each half will be one of the eyes. Roll the half into a ball and then squish it down with your finger. You then want to place it onto your lollipop. Then repeat the process for the next eye. Next, you're going to need some Primo Black. Roll some out into a long tube. Once you're satisfied with the thickness, cut out the mouth. You next want to very carefully place the mouth onto your lollipop. I use the dotting tool to help adjust the mouth. You then want to take some black clay and roll it out into a ball, then cut it in half. These will be the pupils for the eyes. You want to roll one half of the ball into a ball and then push down to make it into a flat space and then push it onto the eye wherever you want it. Do the same with the other pupil. I also used my dotting tool to help adjust the eyes. Now I made up a very dark pink color for the cheeks. I rolled it out into a tube and then cut it out into 4 equal parts. Pick up one of the pieces with your X-Acto knife and place it horizontally under the eye. Do the same with the second. Repeat this process on the other side. You then want to pop your lollipop off of the stick because you don't want to bake the stick. Today I'm going to use resin to glaze my charm. Even though I don't wear them in this video, I suggest wearing gloves when using UV resin. Once you've glazed a good portion of the face, you can attach the lollipop stick into the base. Secure it with UV resin. Make sure to cure it with your black light. Now if you want to add wrapper, you're going to need a small plastic bag and some wire. Want to cut the zip off of the bag. Put the bag over the top and use the wire to secure it. You next want to apply several layers of UV resin onto the bag. You then want to drill a hole in your bag and attach your lobster clasp. And there you go, you got a cute little frog lollipop charm. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.